Diabetes, high blood pressure, anxiety meds, everyone's on them. If you're a 50-year-old male, maybe a bit porky, and you may even have type 2 diabetes, $1 million of term insurance may only cost you about $200 a month. Call Term Provider. Speak with Big Lou, 800-555-2085. Big Lou will find a term life policy for you even if you have type 2 diabetes, are overweight, or have high blood pressure. Term Provider has helped thousands of people like you who think they can't afford term life insurance. To buy $1 million of affordable term life for you, all you need to do is call Big Lou at 800-555-2085. Lou will make sure the scales are tipped in your favor. Call 800-555-2085. A term life policy that you can afford. Remember, Big Lou's like you. He's on meds too. Call 800-555-2085. 800-555-2085 or biglou.com.
Won't solve the problems of reading glasses or cataracts, but CLR does. After tens of thousands of vision correction procedures, we have the experience to tell you if it's your right time for CLR.
CLR is a quick, painless procedure to restore both distance vision and near vision.
Plus, you'll never develop a cataract.
CLR may be your perfect, permanent vision solution. Schedule your free consult today at lasereyeclr.com. No glasses, no contacts, no readers, and no cataracts. lasereyeclr.com.
A better life with Dr. Sanjay Gupta.
Eating disorders are on the rise, and the group seeing the biggest jump in severe cases might surprise you. According to a new study out of Canada, hospitalizations among teenage boys have jumped more than 400% over the last decade. Experts we talked to said that most people picture an affluent, white teenage girl when thinking about eating disorders, but that unfortunately contributes to myths who don't fit that stereotype. Changes in child eating behaviors or rapid changes in weight. Parents should also look for protein that goes into tiredness, poor concentration, irritability, constantly feeling cold, dizziness, hair loss, and fluctuations in weight.
Never leave a fallen warrior behind. Wounded Warrior Project operates with the same goal. Wounded Warrior Project was created to help our men and women returning home with the scars of war, whether those scars are physical or mental. Wounded Warrior Project. We never leave a fallen warrior behind. Ever. Learn more about what we do at woundedwarriorproject.org.
Tax Talk with Straight Talk.
Give and you give. This tax season you get with Straight Talk Wireless. You get a reliable 5G network and unlimited data and a new Samsung Galaxy A15 for just $99. So you can give your janky phone to your kids. Yeah!
Good talk. Switch to Straight Talk for plans starting as low as $25 a line per month for 4 lines. Find us at Walmart and StraightTalk.com. For network management practices, visit StraightTalk.com. Device offer ends 4/14/24. In-store activation on single, silver, unlimited plan or higher requires. Family plan discount with 4 lines, all on 25.
Keeping his friends close and his enemies educated. The Dan Bongino Show.
I can't. Jim, what we just do it? Of course, if you're watching on Rumble, we keep the camera live during the break. We see the show as it's on. It's not a big mystery. I see the RNC research feed, which is great, on Twitter. It's really fantastic. And what popped up, Green Jean Pierre's giving a briefing right now, magically denying, and folks, he wants to be clear, So whenever she says she wants to be clear, you know one thing is coming, right? What is it? Yes, a lie. Every single time, it's a 100% correlation. The Pearson product moment correlation between Corinne Jean-Pierre saying she's going to be clear and lying is 100%, okay? And she's like, yeah, that's misinformation that the trans day of visibility was on Easter. I just read the official